There's two ways that we think about the WUSH system. One is fish passage, that's getting fish up over barriers in streams and rivers. And the other is fish handling, that's in processing plants and hatcheries and so forth, where the fish are actually handled and moved.
Originally, we had created a system for the harvest of specialty crops. We literally looked at each other one day and said, well, could we put a fish in? If we are not bruising very delicate pieces of fruit, golden delicious apples, peaches, plums, tomatoes, we really had a sense that we were not going to be harming a live migratory species that sees more activity in a river than any apple on a tree. Our system can be set up in a matter of days. There aren't a lot of moving parts, and our transport system uses less water than traditional methods of fish transport. It also uses less electricity. We can efficiently transport fish long distances, and we can operate even in a temporary scenario.
And one of the things that we try to emphasize is that the cost is so much less. With our system, you can do 5 or 10 systems that you might otherwise only have been able to do one fish sladder.
There is really no barrier existing today that is too big. We are able to transport fish today very quickly, 20 to 30 feet a second. Let's really visualize how far we can move a fish in 30 seconds, and that is hundreds of feet in that scenario. Systems can be installed at all of these dams along the Columbia Basin and around the entire world, quickly and efficiently. Early on, very early on, we knew that if we could have an impact here, it would be transformational. Not only for our community, but on a worldwide basis.
Here's a solution. You ought to look at it because it is less expensive, it does not take years, and it can be done probably more safely than you've ever been able to do it before for the fish. It's here now.